For the first time in 8 years, the number of people on food stamps has dropped below 40 million. The Fed say it's about 39.5 million enrolled in the program, lowest number in, as we said, 8 years. Now the White House is calling for more work requirements for people receiving food stamps, Medicaid and other forms of welfare. Horace Cooper is with us, National Center for Public Policy Research. If you impose work requirements on people in need, many people say that's harsh. You shouldn't be doing it. What says Horace Cooper?
Well, it's actually the opposite. What you do is, if you're able-bodied, what you need to be doing is being in the workplace, being in the workforce, and moving toward independence. Our American people's generosity has always been predicated on helping people as they find themselves in trouble to a point where they can be independent. It has never been a promise of a lifetime of dependency. If you're able-bodied, even if you need assistance, you ought to be in the workplace. That's almost axiomatic.
But would there be special treatment for people who are single parents at home with a couple of young children, for example? Would some special arrangement be made for people with special cases?
So here's the thing, there have always been that. Even in the 1994 welfare reform that the President Clinton ultimately signed in 1996, what we saw was a boom in employment. What we saw was a large number of people who had had multiple generational experience of poverty move from dependence to independence. There's a role that grandma and grandma can play. There's a role that employers can play in providing daycare. Even some of our schools have expanded the kinds of services that they need. This isn't an issue of a mother trapped at home providing care with no options. What we're talking about are the large number of people who are sitting in this economy not taking advantage of the extreme growth boost that we've not seen in my lifetime. This is greater than what we saw during the Reagan administration in its first few years. This kind of change, we would be cruel if we told those who are needy and dependent, you can opt out of it.
What about the other side of the coin? The far left is suggesting, at the moment, it'll become a demand at some point, at the moment they're suggesting something like a guaranteed basic income or a universal income. That's X number of dollars to everybody, every adult in the country, 18 to 64, X number of dollars every month. Give them money, not a traditional welfare. What do you make of that?
Well, besides loony, the first thing that I would say is that we don't need to create dependency. What we need to do is say to people, your goal is not how much minimum you can get, but why can't we get you to aspire to a maximum? The public housing that we've provided, the public health care that we've provided, the public food assistance that we've provided over 45+ years has never been amazing, has never been remarkable. Basic income wouldn't be any different. The thing is, it would operate as a magnet, and it would trap more people. It is cruel to say to someone, you, your child, and your grandchild are going to be stuck in this cycle of dependency and poverty. The basic minimum income idea, if it wasn't so loony, the real cruelty behind it would be obvious.
Apart from which, I always thought that in America, if you want money, you work for it. But that's another story. Horace Cooper, you're all right. Thanks for joining us, sir. Have a great weekend. Okay, thank you.